Installing the Brompton Toolkit to your G-line. The Brompton Toolkit for G-line contains everything you need to fix a puncture and make running repairs and adjustments to your bike. It fits neatly within the front frame tube so that when the bike is in use, the toolkit is fully enclosed and safe within the frame. Please note this item is not compatible with electric models. Inside the box, you will find one press-fit grommet, the plastic sleeve, and the toolkit. The toolkit contains a tyre lever with an 8mm spanner, a tyre lever with an 8 and a 10mm spanner, a 15mm spanner with ratchet driver, a 2.5 and 5mm hex bit, a 3 and 4mm hex bit, a 2 and 6mm hex bit, a posy drive and large flat screwdriver bit, and a Phillips and small flathead screwdriver bit. These are just some of the items the Brompton Toolkit can help fix or adjust. How to install. Using a T8 Torx key, undo the screw holding the grommet, then remove the grommet fully. Replace the old grommet with the new press-fit grommet. Undo the main frame hinge clamp to access the front frame. Insert the plastic sleeve into the front frame, oriented with the flat side of the plastic sleeve facing the hinge. You can hear an audible click to ensure it is fully slotted in. Insert the toolkit as far as it will go in the orientation shown. When fully inserted, the spanner will stick out slightly. This is to help pulling it out when needed. Before riding, always ensure that the toolkit is safely stored within the front frame and the hinge clamp is securely fastened.